I've been in Naples 34 years. I moved here when I was 4 from Massachusetts. Well, I heard about TowBoatUS just by being on the water here. You know, these guys are super friendly and they actually keep their boats at my marinas. What led to me buying my TowBoatUS membership was really just the peace of mind of having these guys in my back pocket and not having to worry if something were to happen. You know you can count on them. So the first and only time I've had to use my BoatUS membership was actually just recently within the last few months. I was actually out heading out with some friends and they had a couple little kids. My motor started knocking and I called the TowBoatUS captain who I knew personally, and within 30 minutes they were out to me. But it was just nice because I was at ease about the whole thing, so it kind of put everybody else at ease and made the experience a little more fun. Even when we were anchored out, you know, the kids were jumping in the water. We were kind of making the best of it, and that wouldn't have happened had I been worked up. All around it was a great experience, really happy. Something I dreaded ended up being something that we'll probably talk about for years to come.